Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube. I'm here with Alexander from Renee of Paris. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for
Look at
having
this
me.
beauty I have on right now.
Oh,
Why don't you tell us what her name is?
Well, let's get into this. The name is Nour.
Yes.
It's an Arabic name and it can be boys or girls.
Yes.
So I love that.
We
I
love that.
the name. I think it sounds super cool.
Look
really,
at this
really
color,
nice.
you guys. Oh.
I mean, the colour's amazing, right?
Yes.
So the colour is called Lilac Silver R. So let's start with the R. The R means root. So when you have any kind of root on these textured like kind of wigs or the shorter wigs with body, it gives you a lot of definition. You can really see what's going on, and it also puts texture into the rest of the highlights. When I'm looking here, you can see these little flecks of lilac all in there, which look gorgeous. And then we've got the extra silver panel around the front, like silver stone, which is one of our big colours.
Which we love that color.
Yeah, so I'm kind of thinking anybody that's out there that's naturally grey, that wants something a bit more fun, or want to try something a bit different, but not move a million miles from a comfort
it's very
zone.
faint. I wish you guys could see this though out in daylight, which I'm gonna do for you.
Oh, cool.
Because you'll really be able to see that lilac. It's just faintly throughout it, and it's so pretty, you guys.
And you know, just a quick one on Nour for like the stress test. You know, she's a machine-made cap, so a basic cap. So she'll always have, ladies and gentlemen, this blowout finish, which for me is great because if you are new to wearing wigs, and some people love to faff, right? And some people want a human hair one, and they want to put rollers in and tong it and all the rest of it. That's
and then
amazing.
some people don't.
And some people
like
don't.
Me. Yeah. Yeah, you just want to put on your wig and look amazing. Like, who has time for all that?
Well, I'll be honest, if somebody had said, right, what do you, and you'd said, I want short hair, do you think it's going to work? I'd always think you look great.
Oh,
I would
thanks.
have said, would I do Nour on yours for now?
Yeah, probably
Maybe
not
not,
me.
maybe I would, but you know what? It's really, excuse the pun, but it's really kind of growing on me for you.
It is.
I've got so many clients that would want this tomorrow.
Oh,
And here's what
100%. I already know a million women.
I like the more you're working with it. And I'm going to stop. I like you doing it.
Like, I would make it even more like edgy, like even just kind of, I don't know.
Like that kind of chopped pixie.
Yeah, kind of chopped pixie, even more behind my ears, like this.
Because this is now giving me slight Winona Ryder vibes.
Oh yeah,
you know,
like look at the bangs.
Texture in there.
Look how cute. I kind of like that. Right?
Nice.
How cute is she? So at first I was like, no, there's no way.
Yeah.
But the more I work with her and just kind of put these more flat and more sleek and maybe more spiky in the back, what do you think?
Well, I love it. I love it.
Yeah,
I love
it
what
too.
Do you think out there, guys?
I love it. Let us
Leave
know
us
what
some
you think, you guys.
comments.
Thanks, Alexander.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.